Everybody, good morning from Mandalay Airport. So we were supposed to fly to Lukla yesterday, but our flight got cancelled due to the bad weather, and we are flying today. So we are waiting for the plane to land here from Lukla, and we are embarking an adventure to Gokyo Reef. So hopefully we will make it to Lukla and start trekking, start our real adventure today. So good luck to us, and I hope you guys keep watching this video. So finally our plane is here, and we're gonna unboard. Excited?
Yeah.
Yeah, finally flying.
Beautiful. Water.
Everybody, our official trek starts. Everybody, my GoPro battery just died and I just just replaced the other battery. Okay, so right now we are trekking to Fakting, and which will take us like 2 to 3 hours slow hike. So it's not a long distance trek today. So we are covering just a small distance today, because when you start trekking in the beginning it's better to go slow. So Cameron is with me all the way from New Zealand, and how are you feeling?
Good. Let's get this party started.
So how was your
plane trip? We finally got here and it was amazing.
Thrilling?
The water's crazy. The views were incredible. So yeah, I can't wait to see what we have in store.
So we are getting our 2 permits here. There's a check post just right ahead of us. So that's Pasangnamu gate. Okay, so guys, this morning we started from Fakting, and that's gonna be our day 2 actually. So because we had like 1 day rest in Ramitsat because of the flight cancellation, and right now we are just on the bank of the Gokyo River, which is very popular, and just in front of us Hillary Bridge, which is very popular one, and Cameron is just enjoying the view of Hillary Bridge.
Not looking forward to these stairs though.
Yeah. So, dragonfly. Okay, let's go. Excited?
Let's do it.
Let's go. Oh, it's a peak season, so a lot of trekkers. Whoa. So next time when you come, you can try bungee jump.
Maybe.
Yes. By coming season,
Yeah.
everything will be fixed and they'll start operating.
Oh,
Bungee
it's
jump.
broken at the moment.
Yeah, right now they are like maintaining everything,
Right.
so it will take some time. We have to wait for the upcoming season.
Is it new?
Yes. So before there was only one bridge, which is the lower one, and these days they have come up with the innovative idea, and that's bungee jump. Why not utilize the old bridge, right?
Yeah.
I like the idea, don't you?
What a place to do it as well.
I don't know. I think they will be fixing the rate very soon. So by next season, yes,
Yeah.
everyone can try bungee jump. Good to go.
Ready to bounce.
Yeah, ready to touch good consider. I'm sure they will make that. Oh.
Well, it's too late.
Finally here on Hillary Bridge. Wow, the most popular bridge in the Everest region. Whoa. Whoa, 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 whoa.
Pretty high.
Yeah, yeah.
You're gonna drop your phone here.
Поближе, Люнь!
So welcome to the heart of the Everest region. Oof. Welcome to
Made it.
Bazaar.
Look at
40 meters high.
Beautiful.
How do you feel?
Good. Feel
Good?
good. Yeah. 4.5 hours, I think. That's okay.
Any comment on our today's trek?
A lot of uphill, but no, it was good. It's a lot
Really?
easier than I thought.
You enjoyed?
I enjoyed it.
But
yeah. Big
you-
bridges, good views.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You're so active.
Hey?
Yeah, you are so active and so fast. See, others are still like, struggling to climb up the hill, but we are already here. So we have like passed
First
many,
here.
many trekkers just
6 hour hike, 4.5
down here.
hours.
Yeah.
Hello,
Where are you from?
Australia.
Oh,
Five times in Nepal.
he works in
I
Australia.
work in Australia,
Yeah.
Kiwi,
Fi-
but
Fifth time.
Huh? Fifth
Fifth
time. Yeah.
time.
Yeah. I'm resting here with food poisoning.
And this.
Oh, really?
Sorry
Yeah.
to hear that. And this
Yeah.
time, are you like
Doing any passes or?
I have a group. They're coming back from Gokyo now. I'm leading a group this year, but I got sick, unfortunately.
Oh,
So that's the way it is. It's Nepal.
thanks.
Unfortunately, that's trekking at altitude. It happens.